Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we are doing another object competition, and today we are going to be doing the colonized terraformed rocky planets. So a lot of you guys have wanted this one for quite a while, and I've been looking forward to doing this one as well. So here it is today, and we'll start off with three of my ones. You've all seen these before, so yeah, they're just my three little ones to show off for this video as well. But anyways, let's just get straight into this like always. So if I search Terra, we should have 8 different submissions here. So, oh, this looks cool. Okay, right. Let's see what pops up. All right. So there should be 8 different ones here, and some of them are ones I already have, so it may look like a bit more. But anyways, so we'll start off with Anonymous's one here. So here it is. So let's place it right there. And he did have this second one as well, which isn't part of the submission, but I'll place it anyway. So yeah, he just wanted to show that one off. And oh wow, this looks pretty cool. Look at the climate mode on that. Oh yeah, so this is an Earth, so it's got the climate mode on it as well, which is pretty cool. Also a different colour, a coloured surface. Now let's check these stats on this guy. Let's see what we got. So it's 84 and 59, okay, but they're not really relevant because it's about visual appearance. So it's also got some city lights on it as well, which is a nice addition. I really like that purple atmosphere, I have to say. That is a very, very nice addition. And there's a little second object to show off as well. Here it is here. It's just a little more plain compared to that one, I have to say. Like, that one definitely looks way cooler than this one. But yes, it's just one he wanted to show off as well. This isn't his submission for the competition, but yeah, there it is there. So I think I've seen that one before as well. So yeah, that Earth is really, really cool. So that's Anonymous's one. Alright, are these two different? I think they're the same, aren't they? Okay, they are. Alright, cool. So move on now. The climate mode looks really good on it, though. The snow. Damn. Alright, next up we've got Gigaman's planet here. So Gigaman's terraform world. So here we go. So it's going with a cream atmosphere. So we've got a cream atmosphere. Any city lights? Nope, not on this one. With a green landscape, as we can see there as well. So looking good. Let's check the stats. 98 and then 85. Pretty high stats on that one as well. The cream atmosphere does look pretty nice with the planet as well. So there is that one. Alright, next up we've got Mark's one here. So here we go. So let's place this one in there. So yeah, PDT Mark. Let's see what he's got here. Oh, I'm liking that. So it's got a sort of turquoise cyan sort of coloured surface, also rocking with a cream coloured atmosphere, or more of a white atmosphere, but you can see as it gets north it goes a little more cream. So yeah, there is that one there. I'm liking the way that looks, I have to say. So there's that. Alright, moving on. We have got, he also wanted to show this not for a competition. This is just an insanely large object. Now he claims it's not glitched, but yeah, there it is there. So as we can see, it's got 12 Jupiters in mass, but it's 100 AU in size, and as you can see there, the lock features are only on the density one. So you can see right there, that is a pretty cool. He managed to get it with the mass and radius, but the density is locked, as we can see there. So yeah, there it is. But look at that thing. It's massive. So yeah, I still think my big rock is the king of not having any locks on it, because you can see the lock is on the density there. I reckon if you unlock that, bad things would happen there. Alright, anyways, moving on, we got Mr. Misselot's one here. This is one he sent in. So we've got that one there, and I think he also sent in another one as well, which I'll get to. Then we got Lamadam Mods. He's got a Terraformed Mars there, so there we go. It's just also rocking with a red atmosphere, the regular Mars atmosphere. I actually have a modified one of these as well. I've got a blue atmosphere version of Mars as well, which might as well show off there. So there's that. Alright, so what we got next? Next up we got Nikka's one. So this is a cloudy green object. Oh, look at this. So it's a cloudy green. If we remove that atmosphere, let's get a look underneath. So there it is there. So it reminds me of like a swamp-like planet. It's also tilted on its side as well, looking very nice indeed. So there is that there. Alright, next up we have someone we've never seen before. This is Cho Luis. I'm hoping I'm saying your name right, but yeah, there it is there. So there we go. So we've got this one. So looking good. Also rocking with a green surface. So here we are. It's regular, so they're all around the same size. Then we've got 93 on that, and then 0.4 on the likelihood there. So it's going with a cyan atmosphere as well. Alright, then we got Gurun's one. Ooh. Is this going to place? Because we have had some problems in the past with Gurun's ones, I think. Is it going to place? Oh, it does. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Oh, look at that green. That is very nice. Look at that. Wow. So, yeah, there it is there. That is looking really nice. It even has a climate mode you can switch on and off as well. So there it is there. So looking pretty nice indeed. I believe this Venus, actually, I need to do something with that Miss Missos one there. But yeah, this does look really good, I have to say. I really like that one. Composition, 99.9 on Earth and then 80 on likelihood. Very, very high stats on that. Right, then we have Mad V's objects. Let's place that in here. And there we go. So it's a frozen object. Okay. So there we go here. So it's minus 20 degrees. I'm assuming this is meant to be warmed up. So is it going to work if we do that? You going to? No? You going to warm up? No, won't even do it. So we'll have to see it like that. But just imagine the white bit's blue. So there it is there. Right, and yeah, we've already done Terra G from Mark. So yeah, that's that crazy blue thing again. So here we go. There is our lineup for today, guys. So pretty interesting stuff. I'll get rid of that one just so we can, I'll get rid of all the ones I've added in as well. I'll keep my Pascal planets in here as well. So that's not part of the competition there. Okay, but yeah, I believe this object, I need to click play for something to work. So I'm going to quickly, actually, how am I going to do this? Play pause. Is that going to work? This is meant to all be green, but this is a colonized Venus, which is pretty cool as well. And one thing you wanted to show off as well was this. So it's called Party... Do I have it? I should have it. Earth. Just search Earth. Oh, it's not there. I thought I had it. Let me quickly go and grab it, because it's pretty amazing, this one here. So let me see what he said. So yeah, I got that. Okay, now I have it. All right. So he said, I'm not too fussed which one you use for the competition. Oh, he said this is just a random. Okay, so so this is his submission. So if I just search Earth, it should be here. I'm pretty sure I had this before. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Party Earth. Was that there before? I don't even know. But here it is. So this is the one he wanted to submit. So yeah, we got this crazy thing here. So we'll get rid of that one. This is his submission, Mr. Misslot's one. So it's a rainbow Earth with underneath a pink atmosphere. So this is actually created from Some Dumb Gamer's glitched out object. If we look here, you can see all of the color glitches on it. So it's pretty strange one here. If we go in our studio, we can get a good look of this side of it as well. So it's but look at this thing. Like, it is beyond strange. I mean, look at that. And no, I still don't think anyone has managed to recreate an object like this. This is probably the ultimate goal for people who want a mod now. Can anyone recreate this thing? Because I've never seen anyone else do it. Yeah, it's based off my what even is this object. So this was the original template for it right there. And he's turned it into an Earth, which is quite cool. So yeah, it turned from that to that. So pretty cool stuff there. But anyways, now we can get them all in a big line. So here we go. So this is the lineup. Obviously, a few of mine are in here as well. So yeah, we got this colonized Mars here. So this was from Lambda mods, wasn't it? Just search Terra again. Yeah, so that was Lambda mods. Then we have Gurun's one. I'm really liking that green. Then we've got Mr. Misslot's one. Yeah, pink atmosphere. Let's re-add that on since that's part of it. There we go. So that does look really cool as well with the atmosphere, I have to say. Right, then we have Gigaman's one with the cream atmosphere. Then we have this one here. This was... Let me see. It hasn't got the name on it there. I think it was... Was it this one? See, that one hasn't got the name on it, so it's a little hard to find. I'm sorry. Was it that one? Okay, so yeah, this was Mad V's one. Okay, so that was Mad V's one. All right. Then we have this one. This was Cho Luis. Oh, I'm really hoping I'm saying you right now, but yeah, we got it there. So you can see it there. All right. Then we have Anomalous one. I'm really liking the snow on that purple atmosphere. That's a really good thumbs up. I do have a few purple templates, but that's probably the best purple atmosphere I've ever seen. Then we have the Terraformed planet. This is Nikar's one with a dark green, sort of like a mossy sort of coloured atmosphere there. Then we have a few of mine. These are all tinted with coloured city lights. I'm surprised I didn't see any coloured city light objects, I have to say. So we've got, this is like one of the newer breeds of rocky planets with, tinted coloured city lights. So red lights, then we have yellow lights on that one. Right, anyways, moving on from mine, then we end off with PTD Mark's Terra here. So yeah, there it is there. Also rocking with a cream atmosphere and like a cyan surface, which is cool. And then we got my legendary Pascal here, which obviously should win, but since it's mine, I can't include it. So yeah, we got that one there. All right, anyways, so I'll remove mine just so they're out of the way. So there we go. So they're my top 3 sort of rocky planets I have. All right, so here's the lineup. Now, this is going to be a hard one because that is really cool, I have to say. I really do like the Party Earth, because that is really, really unique. And like I said, no one I've seen has managed to recreate that glitched out colour underneath, because this is the most colourful a rocky planet can get. I mean, look how many different colours are in that. Like, you can't do that normally. Like, this is a very, very rare object. I mean, like I said, I've never seen anyone else with an object like this. So, Yeah, that's a very rare object. And then we have Gurren's one with the green, which is, I really do like that green on it as well. I have to say that does look really cool. And it's also got a bit of ice and snow underneath as well. Look at that. See it in their studio. So there's a bit of ice and snow there as well. So, yeah, there we go. But, oh. Okay, so I think for my top 3 picks, it's got to be the Party Earth. Okay, oh, got to turn that off. There we go. So let's get out of here. So it's got to be Party Earth. So drag the Party Earth. Come on. Drag. Stop rotating. There we go. Oh, no. I want to turn those 2 off. There we go. So, there we go. So, it's definitely Party Earth. Then it's also Anonymous's Earth here. I really like that purple. And then we have Gurren's one. So, these are my top 3, I think, for this. I think most of you will agree with me on this as well. But remember, it's just my opinion. It's not a fact. So, yeah, don't get mad if you disagree with me. Because everyone can have their opinion. Let me know which object you think is the best down below. But, yeah, personally, I think these 3 are the top 3 colonized rocky planets. Now, with this one, again, like I said, I really like that purple. Like, I'm going to quickly go and compare it to my own purple templates quickly. I may actually use this from now on as a purple template, but we've got this one here, so that's one of them. Then we have, oh no, I only have 1 purple. Okay, so let's compare that to this one quickly. So if I just make the surface white so we can actually see the atmosphere properly. So I really do like that purple. So, there we go. So that's what, see, looking at this compared to that, this one looks more almost like an indigo sort of purple. Meanwhile, this looks more like a magenta purple, if you get what I mean. Like, they're definitely 2 different shades of purple. You can get a good sort of look here. You can see both of them on the screen. We've got like a more of a darker, deeper purple, and then we've got more of a magenta sort of purple down there. But I really do like that purple, I have to say. That does look really, really cool. And just the way the ice and snow is done on this as well, like with the elevation and all that, like that does look really, really cool, I have to say, for a colonized object. Now, I'm pretty sure he could probably get this to 100% on both stats as well. So, because I know he's done it before. He was actually the first person to do it. So, yeah, that could easily, those stats could go really high as well. So, yeah, that is really cool. Then we have the Party Earth, which is pretty cool as well. But I will say, I'm not anonymous, Mr. Slot didn't curate the actual template underneath. So, does that count as his? I mean, I know, like, he's obviously given it the earth texture and obviously given it the pink atmosphere with modding, but the original template, which is the what even is this, which is this one, like I've already shown you, this is the original template here. He didn't make that. So, would you disqualify him for that? I mean, I don't really have any set rules, and like, if you use an object someone else gave you or whatever, but I don't know, because obviously he wouldn't have this if it wasn't for me giving it to him, and then some dumb gamer giving it to me. So, I don't know. Would you disqualify him? I'm not sure, but I mean, it's still a really, really cool object, like what he's done with it. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know. And then obviously, lastly, we got Gurren's one. Like you guys know, I really do like the green planets and stars and all that in these games. I know stars aren't a thing, but I made one in Space Engine, remember, and it looked amazing. So yeah, there it is below, like a really dark sort of forest. This reminds me like a forest sort of green there, and that does look really cool with the cloud. Like, the clouds look amazing as well. So, yeah, that does look really nice. And obviously the stats on that are pretty high as well. 99 and 80, really, really high stats. But yeah, that Gennaro here, that is a really cool looking object, I have to say. I really do like that. That is very, very nice indeed. Like, oh my god. The greens are probably one of the best colours you can pretty much mod in the game. I mean, green is a really, really nice colour to put atmospheres on, but I really like that purple. I think my 2 top, it's got to be between these 2, I think, for colonised objects. I mean, oh man, I really do like the elevation on that, and it's got, hang on as well, wait, does that have, oh, I know why he's called it Earth. Because if it wasn't called Earth, it would look like this. And look how much less interesting it looks if it's not called Earth. So look how much the clouds add to it just by doing that. I'm just adding a space and deleting a space if you're wondering, but without those clouds, it just nowhere near looks as good. But when you add the clouds back, it looks way cooler, I now have to say. Because, yeah, the only way to get white clouds on a coloured atmosphere is to call it Earth, if anyone was wondering. That's the only way you can do it. And it's the same with, like, if you called it Mars, for instance, you get, like, a darker sort of colour there. And then if you call it Venus, you get, like, red clouds. So if we just do this, for instance, that gives the red clouds. You can see the clouds are now red, but obviously it was called Earth to get those white clouds. So that's what it looks like. Now, that's nice. Obviously, the city lights or on both of them as well. So yeah, really cool. But I think I'm gonna go with this. I like all of these, I have to say. They are really cool. Obviously, the Terraform Mars is always really cool as well. That's a really nice green. Also, Terraform objects in Universe Sandbox look amazing in general, since we got the colours appearance added to the game as well. I do like that one. I like all of these. These are really cool. And the cyan and the green on that as well. Like, if we get a quick look below, like, well done for everyone, because these are all really cool. And it's really hard to pick winners. Like, remember, it is only an opinion, not a fact as well. Please keep that in mind. But yeah, it's got a cyan and then like a green. That is a nice mix of colour. And then we obviously have Gigamans over here, also rocking with the cream atmosphere. And then with the green as well. But yeah, I think overall this is the winner. I really like that purple, and I've never ever seen a purple in that sort of shade before. It looks absolutely amazing. And obviously the white clouds with it as well, and obviously the high elevation. Because if we turn client mode off, it'd ruin it completely. I mean, look at that. Compared to that, it looks way cooler like this. And also, you could increase and decrease the temperature to have different, or have the ice in different places and all that. So this planet has a lot going for it as well. And obviously, this has client mode as well. So this could do exactly the same thing. It's just the way it's being presented to me, which is the way you guys want to show it off. That is how they are meant to be. So, yeah. Congratulations, Anonymous. You have won for the Hattable Planets competition today. So, yeah, there is our winner right here. And it looks amazing, I have to say. But obviously, well done to the two runners-up as well. Got Gurun and Mr. Mislot. And then just massive thanks to everyone as well for sending these in. These are all really cool. But, yeah, they're my top three. So, let me know which ones do you think is the best out of all these. Let me know down below who think you won. But, yeah. Just let me know who you want, because it's always interesting to see what you guys have to say, because I have seen sometimes you guys have disagreed with me, then other times you have agreed. So yeah, let me know, who do you think won out of all of these objects here? Let me know down below, because I'm really interested to hear your thoughts on this. But yeah, they're all really cool indeed. Obviously my Pascal would have won, but if I could have included it, but sadly not. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, that is the winner out of all these. So yeah, congratulations, Anonymous, again. And yeah, just a massive thanks to everyone for sending these things. It's really fun doing these competition videos. So yeah, let me know, which object should we do next? What should we do? Because I think I had an idea, but I can't remember what it was. So I have to check with you guys, see if you guys can remember. But I can't remember what we're doing next. So yeah, stay tuned on the Discord server to see what object will be next. I'll also probably announce it in the next video as well, if I remember. So yeah, there is that. But if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button down below. Let's see if we can go for 50 likes on this video, and also subscribe if you're new. Helps on the journey to 6,000 subscribers, because we are closing in on it quick, and we've got to hit that goal before the end of the year. That is the goal. Yeah, just a massive thanks in general as well, guys, for watching this video. And yeah, congratulations again to Anonymous, and a massive thanks to everyone sending them in. I know I've said it like 10 times, but it's really cool to do these videos with all these objects you guys sent in. So yeah, that is everything, guys. So make sure you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.